shopaholic. Follow me in my day-to-day life as I battle through not shopping for a year on 1 year of fashion fasting.blogspot.co.uk. I'm here with IKEA today as they try to make room for my life and reorganise my wardrobe. IKEA for making room for my life and organising my 823 pieces of clothing. I can now actually see all my clothing and know where everything is, so it's going to be fun to try and style outfits, actually being able to know what I have in my wardrobe.